Say something.
The sun is shining. The weather is good. I bought flowers.
Why?
Because I love this kind of flowers.
Are you going to give them to someone or just keep for yourself?
Maybe I will present it to somebody.
Okay, cool. Natasha, what about you? What do you think about our today's event?
Everybody happy.
I can see by the faces. Are you tired already?
Yeah, but I think we have fun and everything will be okay.
Okay. Miss Daria, what do you think about our event today? Are you ready for some activities? Are you sure you will not fall asleep in the middle? Oля, what about you? You're joining us for the first time today. Yes. So, do you think these people are okay?
More than okay.
Okay. That's good. And this is CJ. And малосольные огурчики. CJ, are you hungry?
A little bit.
Are you thirsty?
A little bit.
Are you sleepy?
A little bit.
A lot. Are you tired?
I'm okay.
Alright. Ladies, how are you so far?
Very good. We have slept and train.
So you're refreshed now?
No,
No? You're sleepy again?
I think we'll sleep in the bus.
Okay, on the bus. Tanya, what about you?
I'm fine.
Are you sleepy?
No, I'm not sleeping in train, and I have a little sleep in my bed, only 5 hours.
What did you do last night?
Main question.
I worked. Quotes. Okay. Masha, what about you?
What did you do last night?
I'm not asking such questions to everyone. Mr. Artyom, how are you?
Nice.
Say hi to us.
Hi to us.
How are you?
Good.
I saw you sleeping on the train. Are you feeling
Yes,
better now?
I saw you.
You saw me?
Shooting me, yeah.
Okay, did you also not have enough sleep last night? What did you do?
My colleague was the last day. He had the last day in our job, so we were wishing him all the best.
Okay, so now you need kefirчик.
Yes.
Alright. Where's the rest? Where's Lёша? А? 245.
один только.
Ага.
Можно маршрутки поедем. Все поместимся.
But it's not the same. It's not going there.
А куда нам надо?
База отдыха Таруса. It's this one. Александр, я снимаю интервью. Как вам сегодняшний день? Вы уже устали?
Да.
Да, что же дальше будем делать?
Не знаю, будем набираться сил.
Набираться. Ага. Лен, будем помидоры сажать?
Да. How much you pay for this work?
Дима уже зарядился. Yes, already got my part of the activity.
Hello.
What happened to you?
I had lost my jacket. But
Why?
now- Why?
Were you rushing from the elektrichka so much?
I was so impressed when you introduced me to some girl from our club, so I just completely forgot. Probably because of that.
Нет, на самом деле он доказывал, что он русский человек может победить электричку, обогнать электричку.
Догнать и перегнать.
Like a human being is stronger than the suburb train.
Okay, so the coat is back.
The code is
You
back.
happy now?
Yes, it's my favorite one.
Okay.
I love it so much. It's like old